what is my target price for Tesla for short term and for middle term? Today, I will give you my answer and also my time forecast for Tesla to reach my target. Welcome to ymchannel. Previous few video, I mentioned we will have some kind of pullback. Should we sell Tesla now? I will tell you the answer, no. And I will give you the strategy, what to do with Tesla. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend if you want to learn more and make more. First, this is only for education. We don't recommend you to do any trade. Before you do any trade, remember, learn before you earn. So now we look for Tesla. So Tesla, you can see this chart, okay? So basically what happened Tesla, we have been quite fluctuating, coming downward. If you look at really long term, okay, if you draw a line, basically you can see we finished the downward trend already. We have the wave 1, wave 2, we are wave 3 right now, okay? So, but one thing I want to alert you, recently I give you the Tesla short-term target price, right? I mentioned we are getting very close to my short-term target price, which is around 258 this price, 258 this price, okay? So basically we are very close. We are very close. So if you want to buy Tesla today or tomorrow, I don't recommend because the risk reward level is not in favor. But should we sell now if you have a lot of Tesla? One thing I want you to look at is the blue line. The blue line is the trend line. They tell you what is the trend. The trend from downward, we're going to upward. From downward, we're going to upward. So what does it tell us? It means in the middle term, we are going upward. We should keep the stock, okay? They will have some fluctuating. And if you want to maximize the profit, you can trade with the red. But remember, you don't sell all, okay? Minimum, you need to keep 40% of the stock if you have a lot of Tesla. If you only tell me you have like $1,000 of Tesla, don't bother, just keep it right now, okay? I will give you my middle term of target. Now you know we have a news about the robot taxi. Many people get so excited. That's why the price come up. But I tell you, the robot taxi, once they launched in the market, maybe this is our selling time as well. Okay, because once the news, remember the stock go before the news. Okay, all the insider already move, or all the private equity, they know the news before us. Okay, so basically, don't follow the individual, follow the institution, okay? So we want to be the big shark. We want to follow the big shark. We don't want to be the food for the big shark, okay? Does it make sense? Okay, so the first thing. The second thing, if we look at the chart, you can see we are quite far from the top, right? I mentioned here, we just start. From here, you can see we just start the bull one actually. Okay, I tell you, wave 1, wave 2 is always like big up, big down. Now we just start the wave 3. But I will tell you, October, I would target to sell, especially beginning of October. You can mark it down. Beginning of October, I would target to sell. And then if you don't have my indicator, you will have a close look and subscribe to my video. I will give you more update, and also subscribe to my Twitter account. Okay, so beginning of October, I would target. Why? Because I would say this is where is my middle term of target price. The short term target price is around, I give you the short term first, which will happen very, very soon, about this level. Basically, I want 258. This level is my short-term target price. Short-term target price, okay? Okay. And then for my longer term, the next resistance is 268. But for the robot taxi, I give you another of my target price, okay? Look at the gap. If we open the gap, you will see, can we go to the next top, which is around 300? You will see we have a big gap here. We will have a big gap here. I would say this round of the bull market, after the small pullback, or they don't pull back, they go directly up. I would say they will go to 280 to 300, around this range. And then they will come back down. Okay. And then after come back down, they go up again. But of course, I will sell some stock. What is my strategy right now? Pull back. If you have a lot of Tesla, a lot, like millions of Tesla, some people follow me, they buy $1 or $2 million US. I have a friend actually, he bought $3 million US. So it's quite impressive. If you have that much amount, if you want to get some profit first, you may see this target price and check this red line. If they drop below the red, you reduce your stock. You can keep 40% of your holding, sell 60%. If you don't have a lot, okay, like normal people, they don't have a lot, okay, you can just keep it because we're at the beginning of the blue turning upward. Okay, you may keep it and buy more when they finish the pullback. When they finish the pullback, this is exactly my strategy. Keep now and buy more when they finished the pullback. Not at the beginning of the pullback, but finish the pullback. Okay, this is always the strategy. So we are in upturn. We buy when they finish the pullback. Number one. The second, I tell you my middle term of the target price is 280 to 300. 280 to 300. Basically, if you follow my channel, you will buy here and you will buy here. Here is a very safe point to buy. Very safe point to buy. But if you have my indicator, you will buy even earlier because you follow YM chip entries. YM chip entries tell you to buy around, basically they go above this, you buy here. You buy here around 200. You are making around 25%. 25%. Okay. So from now to there, yeah, around 22%. 22%. Okay. So one thing I want you to be alert. Some people see my video and then they know they will have a pullback, and so many people get panic and then they try to, oh my God, I need to sell the stock. But you need to check. Tesla, even they pull back, they won't pull back for too much. They won't pull back too much. Okay, they're just beginning of the bull market. If you really worry about the stock, if you really put 100% of your wealth into Tesla, you need to reduce the holding to avoid the risk. Stock management is always about risk management. This is number one priority thing. I'm here to educate you how to reduce the risk. Some people say, oh, your target price is 280. Why not? I cannot buy now. Why not? Because the risk reward management is minimum is 1 to 3. Okay, the risk 1, reward 3, minimum like this, and then we go ahead to buy. Right now, is it really good? No, it's almost the risk is more than your reward. So I'm not advising you to buy right here. Okay, and we are close to this period peak, so we have a big chance we could pull back very little bit and then go up again. Does it make sense? If it makes sense, click like right now. If you want to make more, learn more, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. Welcome to ymchannel. I see you next video. So if you want to have this indicator, you can also subscribe in the link below in the description. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.